Today we have kind of a cluster of a video. We're just out at the construction site again, doing more stuff. But I have a pro tip for you. If you spend Hi Lee. Hi. If you spend $108,000 on a Jeep Wrangler 392 Final Edition, you get a little tray that pops out of the rear door that perfectly fits a 1/10 scale. You have a little workshop built into your Jeep. Pretty sick, huh? It just folds down.
You're telling me this is not for cooking?
It's probably for cooking, and you have a air pump or air compressor on board, which is kind of sick. So only $108,000 for this beautiful opportunity. But as you could probably hear, Alex picked up a Slayer. He got a Slash at a garage sale, right?
Yeah, I got a Slash, a mini Revo brushless, and an X-ray, and a bunch of spare parts for $100. Traded the Slash for this after I took off parts I wanted, and then I have the others for sale now. So I was like, fuck it. Beep. Insert fun noise.
That's fine.
But yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be a huge nuisance and not fun at all or what, but I was like,
because you love the Nitro so much.
Yeah, so why not get another, right?
Yeah.
So,
well, the Slayer's set up differently. Excuse me. The Slayer's set up differently, though. No?
Yeah, it's on like the Revo chassis style, like the Revo 3.
Because it has inboard shocks, which is weird.
And this is 4-wheel drive versus the other one.
Oh, it's gas, or sorry, Nitro. Everyone gets mad when I call it gas. Yeah. And 4-wheel drive, and it has the 2-speed, right? Does it have reverse?
No.
Okay.
So it has, I think what I read was that this trans has a reverse setup, but you'd have to, like, I don't know, you have to put a servo on it or some shit, I don't know. If I convert it to electric, which I might do if I think it's fun and the Nitro dies, then I can lock it and draw, or lock the 2-speed so it's forward and reverse.
Gotcha.
With the electric setup. I switched the fuel, which is you're not supposed to do, because I didn't have the fuel the guy had, so I have to refuel that.
Lee, what are you driving?
Little mini E-REVO I got for Christmas.
Wow, sponsored by Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sponsored by the wife.
Oh, sponsored by the wife?
I'm a sugar baby.
Oh, yeah, you are.
I think I would like nitros a lot more if I didn't have to let them warm up.
Yeah. Do they sell like warming blankets? Like F1 tires?
A block heater?
Yeah.
Brake disc in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh, so you actually have brakes?
Yeah. I think I need to adjust the brake though, because it seems to... Okay. I wish I had reverse. When I like let off, it seems to lurch to a stop kind of, so I think the brake's a little tight.
Oh, that's sick.
Hitting second gear is sick.
I need a... Yeah, see? That was me just letting off.
Oh, gotcha.
Will they not make TSM with the new gas one?
Well, this remote's not what they come with, unfortunately. This is just what I was...
Oh, wow. I just realized, yeah, that's like...
It's a Spectrum one, yeah, so I need to get a TSM remote for it. It's so noisy, very noisy, but we'll see.
We got to get the Nitro Slash and Slayer against each other.
This place got a lot more overgrown.
Yeah.
I think my dad's John Deere.
Good Lord.
Whoa.
You think you can do a backflip off the gravel?
I'm trying to. Can I break something?
Oh.
I'm front wheel drive.
Why are you front wheel drive?
A broken axle.
Oh, wow.
Can that pop in or does that press back in?
I think that's snapped.
It looks like a good.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you could snap it back in.
Yeah.
Two-wheel drive. Or
Front wheel.
drive.
Just Honda Civic it for a little
Yeah.
bit. Come on, everyone says the Type R is the best car in the world. That's front wheel drive. Alex over here with a little pissed off weed whacker.
Pissed off.
I don't like going upside down.
Hey, neither do I.
Oh, yeah, it popped out.
The nitro cars scare my shins a lot more than the electric ones.
How come my other rear wheel's not moving?
The dip.
Oh.
Least resistance. I like how you already got the A to Z livery going.
Well, yeah, because it had burnt myself in the muffler
Ew.
when I was preaching
Oh.
about it earlier. So this is like the four-wheel parts body, but they took all the decals off,
Uh-huh.
which is a bummer. And
That's
so
how
I was
you
like, I
got
need to
one,
put
though.
something on. Yeah, so, but I'm just not ready to drive with that one yet.
That's
you know?
fair.
It's
Yeah.
just so pretty.
We'll take a thumbnail picture with it.
Yeah.
But then, you know, you bash with the right one.
Hey, commenters, let me know what I'm supposed to be doing when I roll it over to make it not as hard to start. Should I be pinching the fuel line?
I guarantee you all of the comments will be, don't roll it over.
Yeah, I know, but eat shit.
Yeah.
If that's just how it is, then alright. I just, you know.
Yeah. I do think that is kind of part of the hobby grade of it.
What do you mean? Like,
Well, just like, it's like for more hardcore drivers, they don't flip their cars.
yeah.
That's all the comments I got when I got the Nitro Slash. They're like, it's for serious RCers.
The Nitro Slash, yeah, okay.
Yeah. That's cool.
No type of traction. Something's not right. Yeah.
Is it two-wheel drive?
No. What about rear links? Yeah. The rear link.
Oh boy.
That means the piece is stripped out. You know what's great though?
What?
I still have a bunch of spare RPM ones from my Revo 2.0.
Oh
It
yeah.
has the same suspension setup and the same thing happens all the time.
God, your spare parts bin is just massive.
My spare parts basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
Is it?
I'm working on organizing it. Yeah, because most of these cars I'm flipping are, I'm using all of my spare parts shit to be able to fix them for
That's true.
free or like steal parts.
You
off
too.
them.
Leave a comment. Alex keeps buying cars, fixing them, and then selling them and flipping them and making profit, but he won't film any of it.
False.
Oh.
I have one that's, well, I have the garage sale one uploaded.
Oh, good.
I just need to make a thumbnail for it.
Okay.
So
Nice.
And then I did
Nice.
a video with when I got the Rustler to swap the LCG setup onto the Stampede and stuff. So those both are actually uploaded. I just need to put thumbnails on.
Oh, okay. I haven't checked the channel in a second.
So
Nice.
hey,
Maybe you've already seen them, maybe not. I don't know.
maybe we still haven't made a thumbnail and they're still just waiting to be uploaded.
Probably.
Who knows?
Oh my god.
I know.
RX-7's so useful.
I got carried away.
It's like a pickup truck bed.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Pristine,
oh yeah,
brand
that's
new
good
body.
stuff. Well, you said it was sitting around at leisure for like years.
I literally have seen this at leisure for like the past 2 years. I just would be digging through bodies and I'd see that and I'm like, I wish it wasn't for Slayer, then I could use it. And then I was looking at this and I'm like, wait a second. I bet you they still have that thing. Like, with how long it was there, I'm like, they've got to still have it.
That's exactly how we are with the house that we just got. Because we used to go to this restaurant down the street and we would pass by it just all the time.
Oh, really?
And now we just live next to it, which is sick.
It's funny.
You got the crawler.
I got my 2 Stampedes. I'm gonna drive this thing next.
That body's the best body.
Yeah, and
the second gen Ram has my heart.
another body that I'm like, I don't want to ruin it because it's old and cool. But like,
should I take a nice photo of it before you go get it dirty?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, I go do.
But yeah, I'm stoked on how that thing turned out.
Yeah. Let's just get a shot for the viewers right quick.
Woo! OG Stampede body.
Yeah. I mean, that looks straight out of 2001 and I love it.
Yeah.
You know the rapper MF Doom?
Yeah.
You know he was super into RC cars?
Really?
Like super into RC cars? Yeah. There's like a TikTok about it and he's like posing with his collection.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love that.
Anyway, I'm gonna get my camera and take a nice beauty shot that you'll see.
Big into RC?
Who?
Who's that super rich guy, Tyler Perry?
Tyler Perry?
He's rich.
Yeah, he's like really big into like RC airplanes.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Him and Cletus McFarlane have like scaled airplanes the size of like your RX-7.
Jeez.
So small?
Yeah. It's my first time taking it apart, so I'm just figuring it out.
Yeah.
Do you want a little table?
I'm good.
Sponsored by Jeep.
Sponsored by
Tecate.
They what?
Right? It's like super grown over now.
Yeah, it went from like pure dirt to a forest.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta figure out that brake. Like, look. It's really? It stops so hard, so like if I let off throttle, the thing just like spins because it just.
Oh,
locks
it's
the brake immediately.
automatically braking.
Like the brakes just seem like they're adjusted.
Hey, you know what's cool? We can monetize this video because there's not music playing in the background for an hour.
I saw that pop up and I was like, oh.
Yeah. I fully expected it.
Oh, did you bring the mics?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I
have
do.
mine. Oh, you do?
I don't have windshields or wind deflectors. I lost mine.
You lost them?
Yeah, I'm pissed. They're like $1 online though.
Yeah.
So I need to pick some up, but I shot a video yesterday with the top off the Jeep and it was hell. The audio is unusable. But I mean, we could toss them on if we want. Get something.
Yeah, probably. I have mine, so probably should. Hello. I mean, it's not that windy. It kind of is.
Yeah.
We'll have like 2 crisp audio channels.
Yeah.
And 2 that are just garbled. I feel bad because like we never ended up using the mics.
I know.
We used them like twice. They definitely make a big difference.
Yeah.
It's just hard because it's always like we either don't have them or we have too many or too few. Like
yeah.
people.
What are you gonna bring out?
I don't know. Well, I wanted to drive the UDR because last time we were here it was like super dry and open.
Yeah.
But now it's a
There's
sport.
like, I mean, there's like drag strips like that, but
it's so weird. I just can't believe like what happened, you know?
yeah, they've just left it over the summer.
But usually like all the growth comes in like a lot earlier in the season, you know? Like
Yeah.
it's August now. It's odd.
Knee high by the 4th of July, am I right, ladies?
Yeah.
We're talking corn. Everyone knows that in the Midwest. It's so funny.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the random furniture is still here. Yeah, get that UDR out, baby. This is a good strip right here. Yeah.
UDR and slash
Yeah.
very close to the floor.
Yeah.
Kind of sounds like an F1 car when it shifts.
Yeah, it sounds so cool.
Now, if it had a third or fourth gear, the God.
The alignment's real off. I replaced all like the but I didn't get the alignment set right after I readjusted it. Yeah, you need to get them.
Yeah, I see you got a Spectrum.
Yeah, it just came with this, unfortunately.
Does it have like aftermarket aluminum bits on it?
A couple.
Yeah.
It has like a it had skid plates and a the body mount piece, but one of the skid plates is all dented up, so I put the plastic back on it.
Nitro!
Don't touch this. It's probably cool enough now, actually, but I burnt myself.
Dog have hella toe in.
Some toe in, not that much, no.
They usually have a lot of rear.
Turn the pivot balls in more.
Which pivot balls?
So the alignment's adjusted by.
Don't you just love the cantilever inboard suspension and how easy it is to set up and tune? Oh, bumper broken.
All right.
Is that? Seems intentional.
What?
This bumper?
What do you mean?
Like really floppy?
Yeah, it's not even like missing a bolt. That's
No,
just how it is.
How it is.
Because they know you're just going to be uncontrollably
Crashing it.
ramming this
Maybe
thing.
Max slashing it.
If we could trade a zip zap up to a max slash,
Hey.
tell you what.
It's a
I would
crazy
kill myself.
receiver box.
Yeah.
Not oil. Shift later. Is that? So it's, yeah, it's got to be like a centrifugal clutch to shift, right?
That's my
does that work?
assumption. I was confused by it. I was like, this is intriguing. Huh.
Brake.
Yeah.
The actual disc brake
Right.
is so swag.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
So beefy center drive shafts too.
Yeah.
It hates being upside down.
That's something I always wonder. I'm like, how bad is it? Because I'll be like working on it and be like, oh, I need to flip.
Yeah. Doctors hate it.
The pitch on those gears is nuts too.
Yeah. It's definitely interesting.
Yeah.
All right, get out the UDR. Let's see some real suspension.
My plan was to drive this when you had the UDR out, but now I'm over.
That's
So I'm gonna drive this.
yeah, that's what I was hoping for too.
I mean, I can get it started again. I'm sure I just need to.
I'm a tuner.
Hey, he's back in business, baby.
I'm wondering if a bag full of what looked like just shit. But I started going through it and realized it has a full set of big bore shocks in it and a full set of ST Racing shocks in it.
Oh, nice.
So I put the big bore hardened shafts in the ST Racing bodies. Yeah, it's got a wide front kit, so it might just have some shit in
Yeah.
that.
I have to rebuild these tires.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're coming apart?
Yeah, on the back left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I've never seen a cartwheel that much.
Baby.
Should we do a video of just 12 hours of trying to get a nitro car started?
I don't want to have to pull the glow plug out again because brand new, it shouldn't be bad. It's showing the glow plug light, or not showing the glow plug light, which is technically.
There's a lot of technical mumbo jumbo. Oh, yeah. Tokyo Drifter on my foot.
Not as predictable as my Mini Z drifter.
Yeah. You gotta bring the Mini Zs.
Yeah.
Because I'm very curious about them, but I don't know if I want to spend the money.
They're more indoor toys.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, not
They're-
out here.
For the price, you don't. It's a lot of plastic for what you
Yeah.
get. And the amount of mods I put in it costs more than it already. So
Yeah.
close,
Mini
like
Z?
all the mods,
Yeah.
especially my Jeep.
Oh, yeah.
With my drifter, all you have to do is buy like Kyosho's little. It's their equivalent of a welded diff.
Yeah.
What people do is end up gluing the stock one, but I wanted the cool aluminum one.
Yeah.
And you
That
put
you
this
can't
like
see.
yeah, and you put this like I don't know what kind of diff up front because they're 4-wheel drive. What makes it like open diff up front?
Oh,
So it
sure,
kinda,
yeah.
Like when you let go of the throttle, it's like an e-brake.
Oh,
You can
wow.
Rotate it. I just changed the upper control arms on them, so they got cool like. I don't know, get rebound on them. But it drifts really well.
Oh, yeah. Gotta bring it over to Alex's little drift track in the basement.
Oh, that's sick. That's a big dog.
Oh, you haven't seen the UDR in person. By the way, for the viewers out there, Lee and Patrick were in a death match to see who would stay on the channel. Patrick has died. So Lee is staying on the channel. Patrick is dead. You know, God rest his soul. So Lee is taking his place now.
I'm only here when I'm not working.
Yeah. He flies contraband all around the world.
Contraband meaning I bring home bread from other countries.
Did you bring any bratwurst home from Germany?
I didn't, but a few of my coworkers, they like to take home beer for their family.
Oh, yeah. Sure. No doubt. Sure.
Did eat a lot of wieners out there. Wiener schnitzel.
Yeah. This guy's a wiener hound.
Yeah, Glizzy 5000 Destroyer.
Let's go see that suspension at work, huh? We're not waiting for you, don't worry. The UDR back on the channel. What car?
I don't know. I want something big scale.
Oh, jeez. Lee's been bitten by the bug. Get a sledge.
That is like once you see it, you would want to buy one.
It's gotta be like the coolest.
It's the coolest, but it feels like one of the most fragile.
Yeah. Not as fragile as the LMP though.
That's true. God, that suspension.
God, that looks like a real car.
Yeah.
I know, that's a thing.
Got the working brake lights too.
Oh.
What kind of battery is on?
It runs on two 2S or two 3S.
Yeah.
So this is on 4S right now. Gotta watch out for the big rod.
Yeah, go ahead, Lee. Go try it.
Say what?
Brakes drive shaft again.
I think the diff is failing on this.
Oh, okay.
Because I accelerated a couple times and it was like
Oh!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Actually, that mound was a lot taller, but I drove over it with the Jeep.
Oh yeah.
You see my tire mark through the
that
middle?
was you.
Hey, we should try that backflip again because I blew
Oh
up.
yeah. All right, not quite.
The thought that matters.
Give her a little bit of juice. You got all 4. Ah, Jesus. All right, there you go. It? Oh. Why was that kind of impressive? Oh, okay. I said kinda. I said kinda.
So, I ordered more parts for my Jeep, but they're at my Indiana house.
Oh.
So like you kept saying like, oh, you need more front weight. So I bought a new diff cover, a brass one, and then I got these like hubs, brass hubs and everything.
Hell
so
yeah.
hopefully it's enough to just tip it over.
Yeah.
Doesn't look the fastest, but it looks the sickest.
It's pretty fast. It goes 50. It goes 50 on success. I'm just keeping the speed down.
Sounds real the way it's hitting the rocks too.
Yeah.
Scale sound. Did it come with those straps for the spares?
I put the straps on, but it came with the spares, and they're actual, they're like real functional spares
Like
too.
full spares?
Yeah.
You did the window netting too?
Yeah, I did the window nets, the straps, and then I also did, it's like so hard to see, but actual aluminum brake rotors and calipers. It has plastic calipers and rotors, but I did the aluminum just so it had like the shine. But it's got
Those shocks are sick.
yeah, it's got 2 shocks per corner.
Battery goes in there, right?
Yeah, battery sits under there. It's like a true like solid axle 4-link rear with the limiting straps.
Oh, did you do the limiting straps? No, you did that in the
Came with
LMT.
those. Yeah, I did
Okay,
them on
gotcha.
LMT. I just did the beefier upper links for the 4-link. But yeah, it's just like super duper scale, and you can remove the body, and it's got a full cage. It looks so cool with no body on it.
So you never have to take the body off for the batteries or
No.
anything because it has that trap door.
Yeah, because the body's screwed on with like 10 screws. So it's really not that much of a pain to take off, but it's not 4 little clips, you know?
Yeah.
It's more involved.
Also, these are the lights on the low setting because the bright settings will blind you.
Yeah, so it's got the grill light bar and the roof light bar, and I can control it from my phone. It's got like a high beam, low beam. You can switch them on and off independently.
It makes me really want to do that Raptor rally they have out in Baja.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You should like go full speed. That'll be like a jump for a real car.
Yeah. So Alex, as he just flipped it, has switched to the backslash.
Oh, you're doing the two-tone.
Oh wow, is it high school again?
Yeah.
Right?
No, I just broke one wheel from each set.
How'd you?
White tires is coming unglued.
Yeah, probably.
Oh jeez. Custom livery.
I'm hungry. Yeah, this sure got rough.
Yeah, well, that's good.
drove through it with some type of like cat or something.
Look how Alex's ankle keeps sitting. Oh. Oh.
Some barking spiders out here. Oh, that's water. Oh, no!
This is my first time driving out here,
That's my depth perception. Yeah, wait. Oh, jeez.
I like how Alex just decided he wanted to play alone.
That actually like got lift. Yeah.
Lee, do it again. I missed it. Go for it.
I just punch it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no!
I mean, we're not submerged.
Alex is.
Yeah, Alex is.
Air dry.
Don't give it throttle.
I got weather techs. We're good.
Rip brake. Oh, there's the GoPro. I didn't even see you put it down.
What? Oh.
Oh, you. Don't give it throttle.
I got weather techs. We're good.
Oh, that's so much worse.
That's so much worse.
Say more, say more.
All right, back to non-muddy things. I said back to non-muddy things. We had our fun in the mud. Oh, you want to take the little monster truck through the mud?
Yes, but no.
Yeah, you do. You already got to clean stuff. Who cares?
Yeah, I already gotta clean stuff. I don't want another thing clean.
Who cares?
No, this thing will just hit the water and sink.
Yeah, so? Yeah, gotta torque him to race spec. Nick is off in his own wonderland. We lost sight of him with the UDR. Oh, I see it way back there. I doubt it. I don't think that'll come across on camera, but...
Lee, are you bringing the slash back out or are you putting it away? Okay.
Just cleaning it up.
Get it dirty.
Get it dirty again. So what is this?
We have a video coming out on this
Oh, okay.
soon. It's I'm calling it a Stampede LCG setup, but it's basically a Rustler with Stampede wheels, bumpers, body, stuff like that. I wanted a Stampede that wouldn't roll over every time you looked at it wrong, but like I like how this is nice for going over bigger terrain and whatnot. But it's still two-wheel drive and fun to mess around with. So
Oh, it is two-wheel.
yeah.
Oh.
So it's basically a Rustler chassis with Stampede wheels and It's got the RPM wide front arms and then widened rear arms and wider hexes and yada yada. So it handles nice, but yeah.
Nice.
I'm real tempted to do put a 3S in it, but it's gonna be ignorant.
We should do some speed comparisons between 2S and 3S on various vehicles. Jeez. That's about how the Jeep rides.
And it's in no UDR.
Yeah. Speaking of which, there's Mr. UDR off in the distance.
When we get over there, his battery's gonna die, and then we'll have to go back.
If it's not dead already. Oof. Oof.
Stuck the landing. What happened? That's not the face of someone admiring their truck. That's the face of something broken.
Yeah. Did you hit 88 miles an hour and it vanished?
The bearing like exploded.
Like actually exploded.
Yeah, like there's like the outer bearing race and like the inner shielding, and there's like a ton of slop.
And this thing never even gets driven though with water or anything.
Yeah.
Just gonna hill climb?
One of my wheels, the inner barrel's cracked on one of my wheels.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Damn. What did I say at the beginning of this video? It's one of the most fragile
Yeah, Lee,
RCs.
Lee was looking at Leisure, he's like, damn, that looks sick. And like, they're mesmerizing to watch, whatever, yada yada. And he's like, are they tough? And I'm like, no.
Not at
No.
all, yeah.
I mean, like, if you drive them on if you try to enjoy them, they're not tough. They're really
Gives you
fun
mad
to
props to
watch.
the Slash.
Huh?
I feel like it gives like mad props to the Slash.
Yeah.
The Slash is a tough little
It
thing.
is. It's a tough cookie.
All right, start walking.
Yeah.
Makes sense. I was like, this doesn't go well.
So weird.
Yeah, I don't even know how that happens.
Yeah. It must have seized and just blew the fuck up or something. I wouldn't even have thought that that was broken, but I had just like a really hard landing over here.
Yeah.
So I was like, let me just make sure the control arm's good, and then I saw that mangled crap.
Oh, you're wearing through the body too.
Hmm?
The wearing through the body at the back.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's because I got her riding low.
Oh, nice. Low ride.
New bearing.
Leisure closes in 10 minutes. Get in the car.
I think it ripped.
I was like, please don't roll. Well, it wasn't a battery, but it was something causing it to walk back.
Yeah.
asphalt, then you get it and clap.
I mean, all right.
That didn't go as planned. After this, yeah. You're still upright. You're just probably really stuck.
There you go. Oh!
Whoa!
I think so. Yeah, no, this is asphalt. This is like hard.
Makes sense. Oh, there's water over there. Okay.
Just a little bit. That's all right. Oh! You stuck the landing right on top of that sewer drain. Alex did not stick the landing.
Typical supercar owner, they don't know what they got. I need some big wide ass.
Honestly, driving this thing makes me really intrigued to end up trading for a same 4x4 again, but like a newer one. Because this for 4-wheel drive would be wild.
Yeah.
But like, the thing I like about this is that wheel drive classes and stuff like this are kind of annoying.
Yeah.
But this wheel drive is still like plenty of fun.
Before we had all this 4-wheel drive though, we had a good time.
We
with
put
the
2-wheel drive trucks to work back in the day.
Because I had a Nitro Stampede long time ago, but I don't know where it is.
Are you in low voltage?
No.
Oh. Just not sending it?
Yeah. We kind of made this like Indy 500 today.
Yeah.
Oh.
What? What's your annoying predicament?
I lost a tire from my very unnecessary wheelie bar.
Oh.
Wheels.
The tires, wow.
I guess they're removable.
I guess so.
We need to take a trip to Texas because we got that Traxxas store.
Oh yeah, we gotta do that.
Is it in Dallas?
Can you fly us down there?
My plane don't go to Dallas.
Do what? You just take a left turn at like Missouri and then you're like there.
True. The crawler down.
Yeah, I just couldn't resist. Still so like bit by the crawler bug.
I want to play with mine. I'll join you.
Hey, we're switching to crawlers. Tune into Crawler Chronicles.